which celebrity I had a crush on, none came to my mind. Celebrity, crush. But then I started to wonder and thought, yes, I have a crush. Not on celebrities, I don't laugh, but on birds. That chirping makes my chin move upward and turns me into an emotional optimist. That jubilations leave me joyous, leave me grinning when I was grouching, smiling when I was swaggering. The feathered beauty arouse in me a desire for extravagance and elegance everywhere. Yes, I confess, I have a crush on them. The holy man from Assisi preached to them, but they preached to me. So I worship in the swirling, chirping kingdom of birds, and I pray to their precious beauty. And so I pray, let me be light and beautiful and sun-soaked as they are. Let me find my faraway home as effortlessly and effectively as the migrating birds. Let me touch the earth as lightly and as liberated as these sky-loving creatures. Let my inner compass always be fixed on the one pole only. Let me find home.